Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am here to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 6.1, question 7 to 10. These 4 questions I will solve in this class. These 4 questions are expressed in lowest term. It means that 4 algebraic fractions are given. We have to express these fractions into lowest term. Dear students, you know how to express a fraction into lowest term. Suppose 12 by 15 is a fraction. Now, if we want to convert this fraction into lowest term, at first we have to factorize 12. We have to write 12 as product of prime factors. So, we can write here 2, 2 and 3. And we can write 15 as product of prime factors. So, we can write here 3, 5. The students, you know, we can divide both the numerators and denominators by the same number to express a fraction into lowest term. So, we can divide both by 3. If we divide both by 3, we will get here 2 and no match here. So, we have to take the product of 2 and 2, this means 4, and here is 5 remaining. So, we can write here 5. The students, from this we can say that at first we have to factorize the numerator, then we have to factorize denominator. Now, we can divide both the numerator and denominator by the common factor. If we divide, we will get our required answer. So, at first we have to factorize both the numerator and denominator. So, dear students, let us start. Our first question is question 7. In numerator we have 2a plus 3b and denominator is 4a square minus 9b square. 2a plus 3b we can't factorize. But denominator we can factorize. So, we have to write 2a plus 3b. But this one we can write 2a whole square minus 3b whole square. It means that in the denominator we can see here, suppose 2a means a, so here square means a square minus 3b means b. It means that a square minus b square. We can apply the formula a square minus b square in denominator. So, we can write formula of a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Here a means 2a, b means 3b. So, a plus b into a minus b, a means 2a, b means 3b. So, we can, if we factorize denominator, we will get this. And now, numerator remains same, there is no square, 2a plus 3b, 2a plus 3b in the numerator. Numerator always remains same if we can factorize. Now, the students, notice here 2a plus 3b is a factor in denominator and 2a plus 3b is a factor in numerator also. So, we can divide both numerator and denominator by 2a plus 3b. If we divide, we can write here 1 in, if we divide 2a plus 3b by 2a plus 3b, we will get 1 as quotient. So, we have to write 1 in numerator, and in denominator 2a minus 3b remains here. So, we have to write 2a minus 3b. This is our required answer for question 7. So, we can write here answer 1 by 2a minus 3b. Then go to the next question. Next question is question 8. The students, notice the numerator. This is a square plus 4a plus 4. We can factorize this, as here is square and here is 4, 4 means 2 square. So, we can try to apply the formula of square, try to apply a square plus formula 2, a means a and b means 2. Now, 4 means 2 square. So, we can apply the formula, this means a plus 2 whole square. This means a plus 2 whole square. So, in numerator if we factorize, we can write directly here, that is a plus 2 whole square. Now, denominator, this is a square minus 4. We can write 4 as 2 square. We can write 4 as 2 square. Now, in denominator, we can apply the formula a square minus b square, means a plus b into a minus b. So, we can write a plus 2 into a minus 2. Now, in the numerator, here is written a plus 2 whole square. This means that a plus 2 into a plus 2. So, we can write the numerator a plus 2 into a plus 2. Now, notice here a plus 2, here is a plus 2. So, we can divide both numerator and denominator by a plus 2. If we divide, we will get a plus 2 in numerator, a minus 2 in denominator. This is our required answer for question 8. A plus 2 by a minus 2. Dear students, now go to the next question. Next question is question 9. Numerator is x square minus y square. Numerator is x square minus y square. This is very simple. It means that a square minus b square. So, apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. So, we can write here x plus y into x minus y. Now, in denominator here is written x plus y whole square. It means that x plus y into x plus y. So, we can write x plus y into x plus y in denominator. Now, notice here x plus y is common and x plus y is common. So, we can divide both by x plus y, both numerator and denominator by x plus y. If we divide, we will get here x minus y and here x plus y will remain. So, this is our required answer for question 9, x minus y by x plus y. Now, go to the last question, question 10. Dear students, now observe that numerator is x square plus 2x minus 15 and denominator is x square plus 9x plus 20. Dear students, now see here, this is x square and here is 2x. Index of x is 1 here. So, this is half of the index of first term. So, in this case, and here is constant term and total 3 terms in the expression. In this case, if we want to factorize, we have to apply the technique of middle term. We have to apply the technique of middle term. To apply the technique of middle term, we have to factorize 15 at first. So, we can take 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. Now, relate 3 and 5. Here is 2x. So, if I take 5x positive and 3x negative, then if we add these two, we will get positive 2x. So, we can write here, we can express the numerator in this way, x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. Now, we have to factorize the denominator. To factorize the denominator, we have to observe the second term and here the first term, index is 2 and here index is 1. So, index is half in the second term and last term is constant term. So, here is also middle term. As here is also middle term, we have to factorize 20. Now, factorize 20 to 10 then to 5. It means that if we relate 2 to the 4 and 5, if we relate 4 and 5, sum of 4 and 5 will be 9. So we can write in this way, 5x plus 4x. Their sum will be 9x. So we can express middle term in this way, x square plus 5x plus 4x plus 20. Now we have to take common. Here from first two term we can take x as common. X will remain in the first term and 5 will remain in the second term. Now take 3 minus 3 as common. X will remain in the third term and plus 5 will remain in the last term. Now again take x as common from the first two term of denominator. Here x will remain and 5 will remain in the second term. Now take 4 as common, we will get x plus 5 again. So take x plus 5 as common in the numerator, x minus 3 will be another factor. Take x plus 5 common in the denominator, x plus 4 will be another factor. Now dear students, notice that here is x plus 5, here is x plus 5. As both are same, so we can divide both numerator and denominator by the same factor, that is x plus 5. So if we divide, only x minus 3 will remain in the numerator and x plus 4 will remain in the denominator. So this is our required lowest term for the last question, question 10. So our required answer for question 10 is x minus 3 divided by x plus 4. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. These 4 questions I have given as your homework. These 4 questions I have given. Do these 4 questions as your homework and submit your homework on next Sunday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.